Struggling to rank on Google? What if I told you AI can handle keyword research, content creation, and on-page SEO almost automatically? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. We are going to talk about AI Powered SEO, rank higher effortlessly. We'll use Perplexity and Ubersuggest for keyword research and Claude for content creation, so you can save hours every week while ranking higher. So before even coming up with content creation like blog writing, you need to target a specific keyword so you know that it's worth ranking for and targeting. So here I have Perplexity open, and I'm going to ask AI, the Perplexity AI, to come up with like search intent questions and generate some keyword ideas as well. So this is the prompt that I'm using. I want to write an SEO-friendly article about the best skincare routine for sensitive skin in 2025. Generate 20 relevant keywords with high search intent and low to medium competition. Include the search volume, keyword difficulty, and suggested user intent as well for each. So we'll give them this prompt here. And you can see it's come up with our answers here. The reason why Perplexity is good for this kind of work is because even though it's primarily an AI answer engine, it generates keyword ideas quickly and it adds search intent in the context as well. And it can combine trends and content. So it's great for idea validation. You can ask questions quickly, like what are the top questions people ask about sensitive skincare? And these become ready-made FAQ keywords for your SEO as well. And instead of scrolling through hundreds of raw metrics, Perplexity can summarize and prioritize keywords in a human readable format as well. So you can see the keywords here that Perplexity have come up with: search volume, keyword difficulty, user intent, things like that. What you want to do is use Ubersuggest to really analyze what the search volume and keyword difficulty and user intent things would be as well. You can also use SEMrush. So with Ubersuggest open, I'm just going to input some of these keywords into the Discover New Keyword section. I'm going to make sure the location is set to where we want it to be. When you are picking a keyword that you want to target, use a mix of low, medium, and high difficulty keywords as well. But yeah, so we've got the keyword here, the search intent is here as well, the volume and difficulty as well. So you want to take a look at what's coming up with as well and use that as part of your keyword research and really take the time to understand what kind of content will work best for this kind of keyword. Is it a transactional type content, commercial, things like that? And then look at the volume as well. Is there a lot of people searching for this keyword? And how difficult is it going to be to rank for this keyword as well? When you have your keyword decided, you then want to come into another chat agent like Claude or ChatGPT. You can also technically use Perplexity as well, but I find that platforms like ChatGPT and Claude are a lot better for long form content writing, in this case, a blog. So we are going to input a prompt to write a blog to target a certain keyword. So here's my prompt here: write a 1,000 word SEO friendly article targeting keyword. In this case, it's this one here. We'll just remove it in the square brackets, including subheadings, meta description, and FAQs. What I love about Claude is that there's fast draft generation. It's a very consistent tone and the structure is very optimized for SEO as well. You can see it comes up here on the right hand side. It's given us a meta description that we can use, and it's got the rest of the blog being drafted out here as well. Always review AI content for accuracy, natural flow, and brand voice. You don't ever want to use AI and rely on it completely. It should always be used alongside human verification as well. So you can see we've got our blog post set up here. It's got the meta titles, descriptions, 5 comprehensive FAQs, proper structure, and article sections as well. So this is how you want to work it. You want to have your research through Perplexity and Ubersuggest, create, optimize it, and then publish as well. So what used to take days now takes hours, even minutes, for example. Perplexity and Ubersuggest for research, Claude for content, and AI tools handle SEO faster than ever now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below and let me know what AI chat agents that you prefer to use when you're using for keyword research and also for blog writing. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content, subscribe to our channel, have a look at our previous posts, and also stick around for more content just like this. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.